Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to get Roblox voice chat without an ID, and I will also give you some of the information on it. So just log in into your account, whether a phone or laptop or PC. Then you have to go to the settings, click on it and go to your settings here. And here in the account you will get this option of verify your ID or phone number, right? So here, as you can see, I can just go to here, privacy. So to get a Roblox voice, you have to first of all verify your age. And to verify your age, you have to give your ID. Right? Same goes for here. Without verification of age, you can't get this voice option. So unfortunately, there's no other method, and you can't on your voice. By the way, there's other thing that you can on the Discord, and if you're playing with a friends, then you can use the Discord, right? This is the only method, but this is not a really good method. For example, if you're playing with those guys who doesn't have Discord or doesn't who is not your friend, so how you can do this? Of course you have to use Roblox voice, but here we can't do this because we don't have any option to do this. You have to provide ID no matter what. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this information really useful, subscribe.